All right, we're out at the zoo today on one of the first warm winter days that we've had. And we're going to remind you that on April 1st, we're going to be drawing for a free family zoo membership. All those of you who give us referrals until then qualify to be in the drawing. So be entered into the drawing and win our grand prize of family zoo membership and help your family enjoy this beautiful place we have in St. Louis.
Danny, can I go down with you?
Sure, come on down. Remember, with your family zoo membership, you get 48 anywhere passes that you can use on the carousel, on the train, the children's area, all sorts of different places. So enjoy. All right, another thing you can do is ride the train with the family membership. Right now it's closed, but on March 9th it will open back up and run every day. So you can enjoy that with your family as well. Free parking passes to the zoo entrance in the zoo parking lot.